Hello, hello everyone. This is Dr. Charu Rathi. I am a homeopathic consultant. I have my clinic in New Gurgaon. So today we have this session about coronavirus and use of homeopathy in prevention and treatment of COVID. So there is already a lot of information circulating about COVID and homeopathy from different sources, and we will talk little more about that today. Okay, so you have any queries, any questions, any doubts, you are welcome to drop them in comment section and I will try to answer all of them. Right. So coronavirus is now there with us since long time. It's been almost 6 months and it is going to be there for a while. We do not know till when we have to live with this. But we do not have any treatment yet. We have support systems, we have symptomatic treatments, but we do not have any definitive treatment and a cure for this. So what is to be done in such scenario? Prevention, right? We can only take prevention till we have a definitive treatment, right? So what preventions you are taking? I know you all already know the hand hygiene, not to touch your face at all, and maintaining social distance. So that all we all have to follow. Okay. So apart from that, what we can do? So you have to maintain disinfection of the surroundings, because infection can occur due to droplet and from the surfaces. You touch a surface, then you catch the infection and then you touch your face, so then only it will go into your nose or mouth, right? And there are varying symptoms of coronavirus, okay, ranging from respiratory systems, from abdominal symptoms. We have skin symptoms also, and 80% of patients are asymptomatic, means they are not showing any symptom or very mild symptoms, right? So we do not have any definitive treatment yet. So now what is the role of homeopathy, right? We are hearing a lot about role of homeopathy in coronavirus. I'm sure some of you must be taking precautionary measures along with preventive doses of homeopathic medicines, right? So we will take some of questions. Be ready with your questions. I'll try to answer them all. Okay. So what homeopathy does in prevention? How does it prevent? Right? So homeopathy, I have a query which is very apt for this. We are taking arsenic album or camphor or influenzinum or bryonia. There are a number of medicines which are being suggested as prevention here. So what a homeopathic medicine does when you take it as prevention, it increases immunity of your body. It does not act as a vaccine. What vaccine does, it increases the number of antibodies in your body against a particular disease. No, that is not what homeopathic medicine would do. It will just make your own innate immunity, give you protection against a disease. Okay? There is a concept in homeopathy which is called genus epidemicus. So what is genus epidemicus? Before finding a preventive medicine in homeopathy, we have to see a large sample of people who have suffered from the disease, epidemic, pandemic, and we take note of those symptoms, and then we find a medicine which covers most of those symptoms, right? So in this case, when CCRH and Ayush did their research, their scientific advisory board, it suggested arsenic album as the preventive. It is based on the cases they saw in China, the symptoms which people were noticing in China, because it was first seen in China, in Wuhan. So they reached to the conclusion that arsenic album is the medicine which can be taken as preventive. But after that, we have come across other medicines also, like camphor. So camphor also people are taking. How camphor is useful, I am not sure, because it is suggested by a doctor in Mumbai, Dr. Shankaran, who is a renowned doctor. So he worked with some of the doctors in Iran and he treated some cases there and they showed good results. But the sample size was small to reach to any conclusion. So still studies are going on. Okay. So yes, I do recommend, do take arsenic album 3 doses for consecutive days and repeat the same after 15 days as recommended by Central Council of Research in Homeopathy. Okay, and so what's the treatment? Do we have any treatment in homeopathy? Yes. Hi Neha. Yeah. So you have any queries? Please put here. I will try to answer all of them. Homeopathy has been used in epidemics and pandemics time and again. This arsenic album is not developed for COVID. Yeah, someone has asked me, is arsenic album is a particular for this virus? No, it is not particular for this virus. This arsenic album is there with us since 200 years, and it is used that is for respiratory problems, for gastric problems. So it is not definitive for this, but in the this COVID disease where we are seeing certain set of symptoms, this medicine is used as preventive. It has also been used in swine flu, which also showed respiratory symptoms. So we have used in swine flu also with good results. Other question which I have, what is the dose? So when you are taking arsenic album, dose I told you, it is you have to take it for 3 consecutive days and then repeat after 15 days. The standard size of the globule, if you are taking it in globule, standard size is 30. So you have to take, if you are above 6 years, take 4 pills, and if you are below 6 years, take 2 pills, and elderlies, they also can take same 4 pills. Okay. And apart from that, any question, please put it here. I would like to answer them all. Okay. So since we are yet to get more questions, I will just discuss with you what other question I have been put in other online platforms. One is there any difference if we take medicine in globule form or in liquid form, dilution form? So no, there is not really a difference, because homeopathy believes in minimum dose, right? So when we put in globules, it is further minimized. If you are taking 2 drops on your tongue or you are taking 4 globules, it does not matter. You can take in globule forms, you can take in dilution form. It's not that some people think that we are taking globules, it is more of sugar, so we will be less affected by good effect of homeopathy. No, you can take in globule form, you can take in liquid form. It does not, it has to be minimum, and it acts on your nerves, and it acts on a dynamic platform. It's not about how many drops you are taking, so do not take excess of it. Okay, another question, one more question which I have been asked on online platform is, just a minute. Okay, can it be used for treatment? I think it means homeopathy here. Yes, it can be. There's a question. Okay, it can be used for treatment. Definitely, it can be used for treatment. But right now, there is no authority to every homeopath to treat a moderate or severe case of COVID. So if you have moderate to severe cases of COVID, you have to get yourself tested, you have to be assured, and then you have to take medicine as per the protocol of authorities and government. If you have mild symptoms and you want to seek treatment from a homeopath, definitely you can consult a homeopath and you can take treatment while you are on home quarantine. You will be in home quarantine if you have mild symptoms. So you can do that. You can take. And I believe homeopathy is going to do wonders. And right now, this authority of giving homeopathic treatment to patient is limited to certain colleges, certain homeopathic hospitals, and there are very good results. So yes, I would like to see that government recognizing it more. Any side effects if taken extra? There will not be side effects if taken extra, but you have to take the potency which is advised, because potency here makes a big difference. Okay, so if you take 3 drops instead of 2, no, it will not be harming, but why to take extra? Okay, there is a question. My husband and 2 kids are taking camphor 1 mg and arsenic album. Will this protect us from COVID-19 or it is just for immune system? No. Mrs. Megha, as I told you, the medicine is not for generalized immunity. Okay? In homeopathy, every medicine has affinity for a certain organ or a system. Like in this case, arsenic album has affinity for respiratory system, and COVID symptoms are predominantly respiratory, right? So this is going to increase your immunity against pathogens which are going to affect your respiratory tract. And camphor also you are taking. So yeah, camphor is generally used in cases where there is lot of prostration, lot of diarrhea, more of abdominal symptoms. आपके पेट में ज़्यादा symptoms हैं, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा थकान है, तब camphor ज़्यादा use होती है, right? So yes, it will protect you from COVID, but please let me tell you, you cannot be 1% careless while taking other precautionary measures, general precautions. आपको हाथ साफ रखने हैं, आपको social distancing रखनी है. Because there is still lack of proper scientific evidence that how much percentage of precaution, this prevention you will get after taking even homeopathic medicines, right? Okay, yes, it can be shared with the staff. Yes, you can give this medicine to everybody, but if someone is taking homeopathic medicine already, please consult a homeopathic doctor before taking even preventive doses. If you are already on some homeopathic medicines, please take your consultation from your homeopath. Okay, so I think we are done with the questions. Any other questions you want to ask? Okay, I think we are done with this with the questions for right now. For any personal consultation, you can contact me. You can reach out to my Facebook page if you want, and have a consultation. Yeah, do take care. Okay, there is a question: does arsenic album help in fever? Yes, if it is indicated. Not every fever will get well with arsenic album. You have to consult a homeopathic consultant to understand if arsenic album will be useful or not, because homeopathy is symptom based, it is not diagnosis based. This is the beauty of homeopathy. Okay, someone has a question, please put that. Okay, there is a question which is not related to homeopathy, but I will be happy to answer. Does neem water is good to have? Neem water is good to have, but for what? Neem water will not harm you if taken in moderation, but for what you want to take it? It will not, there is no proven, there is no proof or any study which says neem water will help you in prevention from COVID. So we are talking about COVID, so I would tell you that there is no study which tells it will help in COVID. Yeah, so do take care, maintain safe distance. You have to maintain distance of 6 feet from anybody, and if you are running, you are coughing, so you exhale more, you exhale loudly. So उस समय आपके जो ड्रॉपलेट्स होते हैं वो ज़रूरी नहीं है सिर्फ 6 फीट तक रहें. देन यू हैव टू मेंटेन मोर डिस्टेंस एंड मेक यूज़ ऑफ मास्क, right? So do maintain social distance, do take care, have good diet, doing up. It is not only medicine that you have to take. You have to take care of your diet, take lot of fruits, because with medicine you have to have good levels of zinc, vitamin D, vitamin C, every micronutrient. So just take good diet. Okay, and do take preventive doses of homeopathy as recommended by CCRH, and as and when we have more studies into it, we'll let you know, because this virus mutates and there are a lot of changes in symptom. Earlier symptoms were only restricted to respiratory system. Now we are seeing symptoms in abdomen, we are seeing symptoms of skin, which are less, but yes, they are coming up. So if there is any change in medicine or any other progression, we will let you know. Do it affects eyes also? What, coronavirus, I believe? Yes. Yes. Lately there is noted that some people have pink eye, conjunctivitis like symptom, or redness in eye when they have COVID. So only redness in eye should not be diagnosed as corona. It is one of the symptom, and you should consult a doctor to find out if you should go for any investigation or not. I take it every day just like that. What do you take, Mrs. Megha? Okay, neem water. Okay, yeah, you can take neem water in moderation. Okay, so thank you for joining in. Hope I could answer most of your questions. I believe that. And any other question, you can just go for personal consultation or come down to my Facebook page. I'll be happy to answer. And just stay safe. Thank you everybody.